Inuman session. Mga parikoy. Nakasama ka sa atay ko yan eh.
Punta mali ako.
O, sige.
Game na, 1, 2, 3, go!
Sige. Chester, my man. This is for you. DJ boy. Alam mo yung gagawin mo. Kakaling kita pag kilala mo ako. Sige, Brad. It starts with...
Okay, puta. Okay naman eh.
Okay.
Pause natin.
Yan.
Yo, sa birthday boy. Chords! Sa gabal ko eh.
Sponsor. Sponsor natin.
I would like to thank my sponsors.
MP Lights.
MP Lights.
Red Doors. Lawas natin. Pepsi.
Aspire.
Moonlight.
Aspire for my hair and makeup. Pepsi. For my everyday vitamins.
Red Doors. For my liver.
And Red Doors. Katumbas ng Liver Aid. Red Doors. Chester ulit. EJ Boy. Para sa ito, Brad. Ang gagawin mo, Brad. Mag-ingat ka sa akin. It starts with one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I decided to try to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as a pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock ticks like a wave. So unreal. To the lookout below. Watch the time go right out the window. Turns all dawn, but you didn't even know. Obviously it all. You watch, you go. Kept everything inside, even though I try. It all fell apart. What it meant to me, what eventually be a memory of a time called Brad. Campaign. But the end doesn't even matter. I have to fall to lose it all, yeah. Hey, thank you.
Hindi ko na boy.
I don't know why. It doesn't even matter.
I don't know why naman.
Hindi niya ka daw alam.
Oh,
Ano mo
tawa sa body mo.
Ano concert ka?
Wala na.
Tawa kayo eh, maggunggong.
Ano concert pa naman yun? Magkakaiba.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam sabihin. Hindi nakakanta, hindi ko alam.
Okay na.
Tawa ka eh. Wala
Try
eh.
na natin.